So I'm having a strange issue where if I have the air on, no matter which level, and it's pointing up to the windshield, I get a strange electrical buzzing coming from the engine bay. Doesn't matter whether it's AC, heat, hot or cold, whatever. To exemplify this, I'm going to have it on one. It's on up here right now. Don't notice any strange noises coming from the engine bay. So, let's switch that over to coming out from the windshield. And now I get a very strange buzzing noise. It's coming from what seems to be right there. Absolutely no idea what that would be.